Brake rotors are a critical component of a vehicle's braking system, directly influencing stopping power, fade resistance, and noise characteristics. When paired with quality pads, rotors determine initial bite, temperature tolerance, and rotor wear. This review focuses on 5 PowerStop brake kit offerings that combine OE-grade rotors with ceramic or Z17 Evolution pads, aiming to deliver improved braking performance and lower dust without sacrificing street comfort.
Product number 1. PowerStop brake kit for 2014 to 2015 Acura ILX. This auto specialty front brake kit couples OE-style replacement rotors with Z17 ceramic pads and includes hardware, aiming to restore stock-like braking with reduced dust and improved consistency. It covers a broad vehicle range from Acura ILX to late-model Civics, providing a factory-fit solution with machined rotors and a reputable PowerStop ceramic pad system. The kit's weight and dimensions, approximately 30.6 pounds, 144 by 144 by 12 inches, indicate a straightforward installation using standard caliper hardware and mounting points. Performance and use cases. Designed for daily drivers seeking a balanced upgrade over a generic pad and rotor replacement, KOE 1043 emphasizes reliability and quiet operation with the Z17 Evolution ceramic compound. Users should expect improved initial bite and more consistent braking under normal city and highway conditions, along with lower brake dust compared to conventional ceramic pads. The broad vehicle compatibility also means careful verification of the exact year and trim, since some Civic and Accord variations demand precise fitment. The included hardware and OE-style rotors simplify installation for DIYers, reducing the risk of rotor runout if rotors are properly seated and torqued to factory specs.
Product number 2. PowerStop Front K8348 is a comprehensive front and rear kit featuring drilled and slotted rotors with PowerStop's carbon fiber ceramic pads designed to reduce dust and improve heat management. The kit emphasizes performance-oriented rotors with corrosion protection, zinc plating, and includes stainless hardware and high-temperature lubricant, signaling a strong value proposition for daily drivers seeking noticeable performance gains without a price premium. Performance and use cases. The drilled and slotted rotors improve heat dissipation and pad bite under repeated braking, which is beneficial for drivers who encounter frequent braking, light touring with mixed conditions, or routes with hilly terrain. The low-dust carbon fiber ceramic pads enhance cleanliness and reduce maintenance time in urban commuting. Real-world experience may show a slight increase in rotor weight due to the drilled/slotted design, but the overall package focuses on reducing pad dust and improving consistent pedal feel during longer driving sessions. Product number 3. PowerStop brake kit for 2013 to 2018 Lexus ES300H ES350. KOE 6480 targets mid-size Toyota or Lexus applications with a full front and rear auto specialty kit that matches OE dimensions and includes ceramic pads. The kit uses Z17 Evolution pads with hardware to provide a quiet, low-dust experience while restoring original braking performance or slightly improving it over aged components. Performance and use cases. This kit prioritizes restoring original performance with an OE-like feel and predictable bite. The Z17 ceramic pods deliver consistent stopping power across daily commutes and highway driving, while the rotors are machined to ensure smooth rotor seating. For owners seeking a non-specialized upgrade with minimal changes to braking feel, this kit offers reliable, repeatable performance with improved dust performance and reduced noise relative to some non-brand name options. Product number 4. PowerStop brake kit for Cadillac Escalade, Chevy Silverado 1500, Suburban, Tahoe, GMC Sierra 1500, Yukon, Auto Specialty Front. KOE 6562 is a larger, full-coverage auto specialty kit for full-size GM trucks and SUVs, featuring OE rotors and Z17 ceramic pads with hardware. It emphasizes restoring stock performance or mild improvements with a rugged on-road, off-road capable setup. The kit's heavier weight, approximately 102.3 pounds, reflects the vehicle class and larger rotors, but still aims for bolt-on simplicity. Performance and use cases. The kit targets daily driven urban and highway driving with the expectation of reliable, quiet braking and reduced dust, which is valuable for owners who rack up higher mileage or endure varied climates. The Z17 ceramic pads maintain low dust while supporting consistent bite under heavy loads, typical of full-size trucks. However, the heavier rotor mass can influence unsprung weight and might require proper torquing and bedding to achieve optimal results. Product number 5. Power Stop Brake Kit. KOE7609 targets Mazda CX-5 models with a front and rear auto specialty kit featuring OE-style rotors and Z17 ceramic pads. It emphasizes a complete, no-modification bolt-on upgrade designed for naturally aspirated CX-5 variants, with a 24-month, 24,000-mile warranty to back the claim of long-term reliability. Performance and use cases. The kit's focus on 4-cylinder CX-5s suggests an emphasis on predictable stopping power and reduced brake dust for daily driving and highway use. The Z17 ceramic pads help minimize dust and noise while maintaining adequate bite for city commuting and light highway bursts. The 24-month warranty provides confidence for buyers concerned about long-term rotor/pad performance, though actual dust reduction and fade resistance will depend on driving style and braking demand.